In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Outlook quickly and effectively as part of our 2025 guide. Many of us spend countless hours staring at screens every day, and dark mode can help reduce eye strain and improve your overall viewing experience. Join me as I walk you through the easy steps to activate this feature in Outlook. First, let's head over to Outlook on the web, which is where we'll make these changes. You can access Outlook by visiting one of two URLs, outlook.com or the business-centric outlook.office.com, depending on your account type. Once you're there and logged into your account, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the settings. This is super simple, and I'll guide you through it. Look towards the top right corner of your Outlook page. You'll notice a small gear icon, which represents settings. Clicking on this gear icon opens a settings menu, which is where we'll make our adjustments. A little tip here. Accessing these settings puts a plethora of customization options right at your fingertips, so feel free to explore this tab whenever you want to enhance or personalize your Outlook experience. Now, back to the task at hand, enabling dark mode. Once you have clicked on the settings icon, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here, you should see various options, but the one that interests us today is labeled Theme. Under this section, you'll find the option to toggle dark mode on, just a simple click, and voila! Your entire Outlook web interface will immediately switch to the soothing tones of dark mode. And there you have it. The transformation is instant. Everything from your inbox view to the reading pane adopts the dark theme, providing you a more comfortable visual experience. Also, just as a bonus tip, while you're enjoying dark mode, you might want to look into custom color accents that you can select within this theme. It's a delightful way to add that extra touch of personalization and flair to your setup. So that's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and easy. Switching to dark mode helps save a bit of battery on devices with OLED screens, and it's a nice break from the typical bright backgrounds. I hope you find these steps helpful as you embrace the dark side of Outlook. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more useful and straightforward tech guides.